Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new baby chick brooder that I got. It's kind of a pop open, perfect for small spaces. So I have 4 of these little babies right here, and we're going to brood them inside in here in the bathroom until it warms up outside. So this one is perfect for probably 4, 5, maybe 6 of your smaller breed chicks until maybe 2, 3 months max. By then they'll be too big to be in here without going outside. But this is perfect. Let me give you a closer look inside and explain to you all the features. So this here, it zips all the way around, and when it is completely closed, it has this window here, breathable mesh, and there's lots of airflow inside. I can look down in the top. This is a plastic see-through, and you can see here on the side, there's a little opening so that the cord for their heater doesn't stay inside for them to get all messed up in. I would say this one's good for maybe 4 to 6 full-size chicks, or maybe 6 to 8 of your miniature breeds, but only for a couple of months because these guys are going to get big really, really quick. But at least this will keep them safe inside until you're ready to take them outside. But again, this is my bathroom and it's a perfect size. It's not in the way. So I highly recommend this if you're trying to breed some chicks indoors.